Rain or Shine versus Meralco, and no import para sa Elasto Painters dahil sinerve ni Jalen Johnson ang kanyang 1-game suspension. As usual, yung magiging point of attack ng Meralco ay si Jones, and good things happen naman para sa kanila. Advantage, and pag may double, merong kick out pa sa mga open shooters ng Meralco. Tsaka halos yun talaga for the bolts, doon sila pumunta. Pero nakakatuwa kung paano pumalag yung Ross. They just play their basketball. Kahit sino na nakakahawak ng bola, swing pass, tsaka puro mga good shot selection talaga. Kaya close lang sa opening frame. Actually, lamang pa sila. Sa second quarter, nung wala yung import ng Meralco, binilisan ng Ross yung game, and yung body language ng Bolts is parang kumpiyansa kasi sila Lousy on defense, tsaka slower to get back on the break. Ang daming na-generate na points ng Elasto Painters sa fast break and mga attacks. Big lead na, pero nung pumunta ulit yung Meralco sa import is nakabalik din sila agad. Sa final frame, yung ginawa ng Ross is pinaglaro nila si Marvin Jones bilang defender ni Nocom. Either umatake man si Nox or mag-pull up. Offensive rebound din naman ng Ross Sila yung nakakakuha sa mga effort and second chance points. Naging puntahan ito ng Ross ng ilang possession, and good things happened. Tsaka grabe yung space na nabibigay ni Villegas. He hit 3-point shots, space the floor para kay Lemeti na magkaroon ng mga open drives. Tapos may block pa siya to seal the deal para sa Rain or Shine. Kaya nung nakapag fast break si Lemeti, sobrang worth it yung pag-aantay ng franchise sa kanya. What if hindi na injured si Dato, 'di ba? Dalawang shooting big man na fantasy lang 'yan ni Coach Sheng. So GG's. So panalo yung Rain or Shine sa first game, and that's also our takeaway na rin with Villegas. It was Nocum and Chongson who provided the scoring punch, pero yung impact na nabigay ni Villegas is unmatched. So ayun, 3-0 na ang pintura. Sa second game, NLEX versus Ginebra. It's just a good basketball game sa first period. Enjoyable to watch. Nag-show up si Berto at Lalaine para sa NLEX. And of course, matinik pa rin si Brownlee para sa Ginebra. Tsaka, naramdaman na yung presence at space na nabibigay ni Isaac for them. Hitting some outside shot and being a system player that he is, lamang sa first half. Sa second period, malaki yung napundar na lamang ng Ginebra. But, uminit si LJ Gonzalez from the outside at yung balance attack nila, import, tapos 3-point shooting ng locals from the NLEX side. Though, ang kunat talaga ng Ginebra, courtesy of Justin Brownlee, na dapat naman talagang hindi mo napalitan kasi ibang klase pa rin. Sa endgame, kahit malaki na yung puntos na JB, kita pa rin natin na unselfish siya to give the ball to other players, and grabe yung naging run ng Ginebra dito to take control of the ball game. Tsaka ang dami ring bad shot selection na ginawa yung NLEX and decision nila. Pero medyo nag-calm down naman sila starting dun sa mid-range ni Shawnee Winston. Tsaka yung advantage ng NLEX, pinuntahan nila. Berto giving the ball kay Lalaine para sa big time dunk. The next possession, sa kanya pa rin pumunta for another 2 points. So stop ng NLEX, and pagbalik sa kanila, it's time for Robert Bolick. He decided na siya na yung titira in this one. Pull up in the face of RJ Abarientos. Grabe naman yon. Clutch kung clutch talaga si Berto no? Ginebra didn't call a timeout hanggang sa maging sloppy possession. Dribble lang ng dribble si Holt. Napunta sa top shot ni RJ sa corner. So ayun, offensive rebound pa sana, kaso nakuha sa kamay ni Isaac Go. So, and pang overtime naman for Ginebra, good look naman yung nabigay nila with Scottie Thompson. Mintes lang ang 4-point shot. Takeaway natin dito is overall, it was a good game. Kumbaga kung fan ka lang ng basketball, hindi ka talo Kasi NLEX is no joke, lalo na kung may big man. Bolick with 32 points and 7 assists, and Brownlee with 46 points. Wala namang super mistake yung Ginebra. After lang siguro talaga nung tira ni Bolick, hindi na sila tumawag ng timeout. Pero good game talaga guys. GG's and good night.